Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase microphone volume on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your settings. So just click on the Start button. Then just click on the Settings button. Just maximize this. From here, just go inside System. And you'll find Sound on the left hand. So just click on it. From here, just scroll down all the way. There, you'll find your input devices. Just make sure the right input device is selected from here. And after that, what you have to do is just close all this. Then just go to the right bottom. And here on the speaker, just right click on it and click on Sounds. From here, you're gonna go to Recording tab. From here, you're gonna see your microphone. Just right click on it and click on Properties. From these properties, just click on Listen. Or rather, just go to Levels and make sure the microphone volume is set to the max. After that, you can just go to Advanced and other settings and see if you want to change anything else too. But you definitely need to make sure the levels are set to the maximum. Then just click on Apply, click on OK, click on OK again. Then just go ahead and restart your PC for a better performance. And basically that is it. And that is how to increase your microphone volume on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.